Hello there YouTube, how are ya? George here. If your BMW E60's mirrors look like this, I'm going to show you how to sort that out. Right, so here we are, replacement, one for each side obviously, and picked these up online. Weren't very dear, they're not genuine ones obviously. They are heated, which is the two little connection terminals there, that's what they're for. They're just popped on. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop off the old ones using a pick tool like this. So what we've done is we've kind of bent the mirror down or in towards the door and out, if that makes sense, so we can get the pick tool in behind it and pop it off. Just like that. So you know the way the wires are. I think what happens here is the heating element of the mirror actually burns its way through the silver of the mirror. It started with this spot here, two spots. The other side's not as bad, it's just along the bottom, same as this one. So get that changed. There we go. Just like that. Yeah, they're getting hot. Okay, do the other side. Like that. Yeah, lovely. Then, so there you go. That looks a lot better. On the other side, nice and clear. So, only takes a couple of minutes. Handy enough job to do. So we'll catch you again in the next one. This is George, EI 7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.